Imagine this. You're drifting through space and suddenly find yourself falling into a black hole. What happens next? Let's dive into this cosmic mystery. As you approach, you'd experience something known as a spaghettification. Sounds strange, right? That's because the immense gravitational pull of the black hole stretches you out like spaghetti. Your feet would be pulled in faster than your head, creating extreme tidal forces. You'd feel a stretching sensation, almost like being pulled apart. But there's more. As you get closer, time itself starts to warp. To an outside observer, you'd appear to slow down and freeze at the event horizon, the point of no return. Meanwhile, inside the black hole, time and space behave unpredictably. Scientists believe you'd be trapped in a realm where the laws of physics as we know them cease to exist. So, in a nutshell, falling into a black hole means facing unimaginable forces and the ultimate mystery of the universe. Would you dare to explore? Subscribe for more cosmic wonders. Until next time, see you.